This is how to change Wi-Fi password on Asus router of any model. It's very simple, especially if you use Asus Router application in your smartphone. Simply open this application, make sure that you're currently on the Home tab, then tap on the Wi-Fi icon. Here you see your network name. Tap on this network name, and here you see the network settings. So here you can change the network name. Just tap on this. And you can enter a new name for your network, and here of course you can change your password. I'm not gonna do it for now, but go ahead, change your password. And also you can separate the 2.4 and 5 GHz network and use different names and passwords. Just disable this option of dual band network, and you will enter the separate password for 5 GHz and separate password for 2.4 GHz. And that's it. Of course, you can change password from your computer using the web interface, and regardless of what kind of device you're using, you need to make sure that this device is connected to your Asus router. And then on your computer, on your laptop, open any browser and type in the following IP address in the search bar. This is the gateway of your router's admin panel, or just type in router.asus.com. This is the same thing. Hit enter, then you have to log in. If you don't know your login credentials, unfortunately there is no way to recover them, and you have to reset your router to the factory settings and set it up from scratch. So once you logged in, you are on the network map and the security level block is highlighted blue, and thus you see your network settings in the right panel. So here you can also disable or enable the dual band mode, so separate or keep dual band together. And here is your password. You can change this password. And here is your network name. You can change the network name as well and change the authentication method, but I don't recommend you to do it if you don't know what exactly you're doing. So that's it, you're all set. I hope this was helpful. If yes, thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and be awesome. Bye guys.